Yes, students, today's our topic is what is electricity? What is electricity? That we have to tell about. Electricity is the form of energy that can be easily changed to many other forms. Electricity is a form of energy that can be easily changed to many other forms. As you know, electricity is the seventh wonder of the life. With the help of electricity, we run our machines and home appliances and other all the things today in the modern life depends on the electricity. It can also be defined as flow of electrons in a circuit. It can also be defined as a flow of electrons in a circuit. It can be defined as, and then next topic comes is the electric current. Electric current, it is the rate of flow of electric charges. What is electric? It is the rate of flow of electric charges or electrons through a conductor. That is, current is equal to charge over time. Current is equal to charge over time. As I have tell you in the last time, charge is equal to number of electrons N into E, and where I stands for current. Current is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is coulomb per second or ampere. Its SI unit of the current is coulomb per second or ampere. It is measured by the device called ammeter. It is measured by the device called ammeter. Its direction is taken opposite to the flow of electrons. Its direction is taken, अगर आपने कोई इलेक्ट्रिक करंट की डायरेक्शन बतानी है तो वो जिस साइड में करंट फ्लो कर रहा हो उसके अपोजिट इट flows as a result of potential difference across the ends of the conductor. It flows as a potential difference across the conductor. Then next about the electric field. Electric, it is a three-dimensional space around a charge in which the force of attraction or repulsion can be felt. अब आप देखिए फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन या रिपल्सन, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो वायर में से मूव कर रहा होता है तो उसके एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन तक ही हम फील कर सकते हैं, ये नहीं कि हम बहुत दूर चले जाएं तो इलेक्ट्रिक it is the three-dimensional space around a charge in which the force of attraction or repulsion can be felt. Electric field intensity. It is the force experienced by a unit positive charge when placed in a magnetic field. It is denoted by E. Its SI unit is Newton per coulomb. The SI unit of electric field is Newton per coulomb. It is a vector quantity. Electric field is a vector quantity. Electric potential and potential difference. It is the amount of what is electric potential, yeah, or the potential difference. It is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to given point. It is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point in the electric field. It is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is joule per coulomb or volt. Its SI unit is joule per coulomb or volt. Potential difference. It is the amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from one point to another point in an electric field. It is a scalar quantity. Potential difference is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is joule per coulomb or volt. It is responsible for flow of current in a conductor. You know, if there is any voltage, then the current will be flow. If the voltage is zero, then there will be no current will be. It is measured by the device voltmeter. Voltmeter in the circuit is always connected in parallel. Voltmeter in the circuit is always connected in parallel. On the basis of electric current and voltage, the first law comes in this is Ohm's law. Ohm's law is very important from exam point of view also. It was stated by the George Simon Ohm. It states that constant physical condition, अगर physical condition, temperature etc. अगर constant रहे, ज़्यादा change ना हो, like temperature are kept constant, then the amount of current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. Amount of current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its end. I directly proportional to V. V is equal to IR, where R is constant called resistance. According to the law, conductors are divided into ohmic conductor follow Ohm's law, and those conductor which does not follow the Ohm and non-ohmic conductors. Ohmic conductor and non-ohmic conductor. If we plot a graph for a ohmic conductor, then it is a straight line graph. ये ग्राफ भी आप अच्छी तरह नोट कर लीजिए, ये भी काफी बार इसमें पूछा जाता है ग्राफ कि ये क्या है. दैट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ, देन इट इज Ohm's law follow. If the graph is non-straight line, it does not follow the Ohm's law or the non-ohmic conductor. Then the graph follows or the non-ohmic conductor. So today we have to done, that is the Ohm's law. It states that current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the current